Seldon would like to discuss water with you. We believe there's a water crisis facing the world which is dire and urgently demands solutions. Let's review why clean water is important and why Seldon's solution is compelling. Simply put, water is essential for life itself. It is the most valuable resource on this planet, but frankly, it is taken for granted by many. We know water is finite. This means no new water resources are available to meet a growing global need. The sad facts are, 40% of the world's population does not have access to safe drinking water as a result of years of environmental neglect and the sheer stress of the 6 billion people who live on our planet. The consequence of this neglect is that water contaminated with bacteria, viruses, and cysts causes sickness and death, making unclean water the #1 human health hazard. It's not just highly vulnerable people caught up in natural disasters like Hurricane Katrina or the tsunamis in Southeast Asia. It's unclean water killing a child every 8 seconds. Everyone is impacted. Even those with access to good drinking water today experience problems with water contamination. Aging water distribution infrastructure can contaminate water in most major cities. Municipal water treatment plants were the solution for the early industrial age. But such expensive plants are not the 21st century solution. Even if money were no object, infrastructure simply cannot be built fast enough to keep pace with population growth. Recently, new technologies such as reverse osmosis, UV sterilization, and ozone have been developed. All are important new approaches for the problem of clean, pure water for everyone, but it's not enough. Why? The cost to treat water with these new technologies can be very expensive, complex to use, and difficult to maintain. They both waste water and costly energy. Worse, some systems create unhealthy water by removing minerals and salts essential for good health. Old technology using chemicals that purify water is not the solution, because adding chemicals to water creates environmental problems and they can also harm your health. There's a consensus that new solutions to resolve these issues must be found. Seldon believes the game-changing answer is the deployment of safe, simple, and cost-effective water treatment at the point of use. Clean it right before you drink it. Just as Asia chose to build cell phone towers rather than telephone lines, we must now put water purification in the hands of every family at the point they use it. This is where nanotechnology, carbon nanotubes, and the story of Seldon Technologies begins. Seldon's breakthrough was its vision to use a new 21st century material, the carbon nanotube, to solve a 21st century problem. Seldon's new product contains nanomesh, a carbon nanotube filtration material. Nanomesh creates a first-ever filtration advantage. The enormous surface area of the nanomesh combines superior contaminant removal and long useful life. The nanomesh attracts, captures, and absorbs contaminants in water without the use of chemicals, heat, or power. The cleaning is immediate, no waiting required. Unlike competitive technology, the Seldon system doesn't waste water. It cleans all of the water safely. Because many healthy minerals and salts pass through the nanomesh, users consistently comment that the water from a Seldon nanomesh filter just tastes good. There are a number of reasons that Seldon's technology is the most desirable solution. First, we embrace the concept of point-of-use filtration. We offer a plug-and-use system, easy to install, simple to use, which produces safe, great-tasting water. Why deploy Seldon's nanomesh technology? Versatility. In the home, on the hiking trail, in a remote village or on the battlefield, from raw ditch water to EPA drinking water is now a reality with a simple, safe system. Simplicity. Our system is simple to understand. Point of use moves control of filtration into the hands of the user. Safety. Testing has proven that the nanomesh filter removes bacteria, virus, spores, and cysts to EPA drinking water standards. Safety also means the only thing released from our nanomesh filter is clean, healthy drinking water. Affordability. Long filter life equals low cost per liter of water. Water is essential to sustain life. The challenges to world clean water resources increase by the hour. The time for water stewardship is at hand. Seldon's nanomesh technology is a game-changing advancement in water filtration. It empowers people by putting the power of filtration into their hands.